right, now we're going to go to the next level where they give you a line and you have to come up with the equation. So although it doesn't actually tell you to do this, what I would do is come up with a table of values. So I always like doing a table of values where I have 0, 1, 2 for my x. So let's plot where x is 0, where x is 1, and where x is 2, and then complete the rest of the table. So when x is 0, what was your y value? Well, it was negative 2. When x was 1, what was your y value? Negative 1. And when x is 2, what was your y value? 0. So now look at the pattern of what's happening each time. Well, it's going up by 1. So do you remember when we had the equation, it was in the form y equals something x plus something? Okay, well, how do we fill this in? Well, the amount that it's going up by, that was the one that was multiplied by the x. And remember, your starting amount when x is 0, that is your second value. So if it's going up by 1, that will be a 1x. If my initial value is negative 2, that would be there. So if I want to simplify this, this would be y equals x subtract 2. Okay, so if they give it to you this way, where they say, which one of the following is the actual line y equals x minus 1, the way I would do it is I would come up with a table of values. Again, the best table of values is 0, 1, 2. And then take these values and plug it in for x. So do you see if I plug 0 in for x, I get 0 minus 1, and then I just get minus 1 there. So 0 minus 1. Oh, there it is plotted. So you can see already it looks like it's line B. But just to be safe, we're going to put 1 in for x, and 1 minus 1 is 0. So 1, 0. So I can be pretty clear that this is line B. You can circle it, whatever you want to do. All right. Show that this graph has the equation y equals 2x plus 1. So how do I show that? Again, I would plot. So when x is 0, 1, 2. Why do I always pick 0, 1, 2? Probably because they're the easiest ones. Positives are easy to deal with. 0 is easy to deal with. So that's why I always pick those. Sometimes it's not good to pick, but most of the times it is. So 0 goes in for x. 2 times 0 is 0. 0 plus 1 is 1. So 0, 1, that's actually my A point. If I plug 1 in for x, right there, 2 times 1 is 2 plus 1 is 3. 1, 3. Oh, that's my B. And so you can do one more if you want, or you can pretty much show that that is the case. All right, which graph has the equation y equals x minus 3? Justify. So again, the justification could be your table of values. So x, y, again, 0, 1, 2. 0 goes in for x. What's 0 subtract 3? Minus 3. So then if I plot that, it looks like it's graph B, but let's do a couple more points just to make sure. 1 goes in for x. 1 minus 3 is minus 2. 1 minus 2. Oh, that's that point. Let's do one more just for fun. 2 goes in. 2 minus 3 is negative 1. So 2, negative 1, bam, that is graph B. So you can circle it. And there you go.